Hello! Happy New Year everyone! Gagawa ko ngayon ng banana barley shake ko. Okay. Start. Banana. I'll put some ice. Okay. By the way, bumili ako ng personal shaker ko. Mura lang yan sa Shopee. Okay. Try it this guys. Ang sarap. Okay. And then, lagyan natin ng milk, of course. Okay. And then of course the barley. Try it this guys. Ang sarap. Be healthy this new year. 2025. Okay. Maganda rito, pwede nang dalhin anywhere. Okay, it's done. Yummy. Try it guys.